Hi, welcome back to 4ACP Cycles. Our website is 4acp.com. Our phone number is 610-521-9444. That is a landline only. Do not text, please. Today we have a 2007 ZX6R, 28,000 miles. Pretty much all bones, was pretty much all stock. It does have some Graves block-off plates. Today we're doing a compression check across all 4 cylinders. We're starting with cylinder 1, and our engine ID number is 2217, and you can see that there we go, 2217. So here we go, compression check, cylinder 1. All right, cylinder 1, we are looking at about 185.